Hello everyone and welcome back to STEAM Aspirations. Today we will be solving problem number 15 of the 2015 AMC 8. So let's get started. At Euler Middle School, 198 students, let me just highlight that, voted on two issues in a school referendum with the following results. 149 voted in favor of the first issue and 119 voted in favor of the second issue. If there were exactly 29 students who voted against both issues, how many students voted in favor of both issues? So we are trying to find out the number of students who favored both. And to do these sorts of problems where we have different categories of people or objects that might intersect, we generally have a Venn diagram. So let me just draw this box. This box represents all of the students that voted. And inside of this box, we'll have two circles. One circle represents the students who voted in favor of the first issue. And the second circle is for the second issue. And the students who aren't in either of these circles and just in the box means that they voted against both issues, so we'll just label that A. We know that there are 29 students who voted against both, so there's a 29 in this A. And we also know from the beginning that in total there are 198. We also know that 149 of the students voted in favor of the first issue, so I'm just shading this area in red. There are 149. And for the second issue, let me just draw this. We know that there are 119 students who voted in favor of it. And our goal for this problem is essentially to find this overlap area. Now, in order to do that, we need to use the information that there are 198 total students. So we know that there are 198 total, but we already have these 29 that voted against both issues and are unaffected by the intersection. So we can just subtract that to get that the total number of students who voted for at least one issue is going to be 169. And now we're going to look at this diagram. We're first going to note by the principle of inclusion-exclusion, or pi, that we have the number inside of the Venn diagram, which I'll just label with this figure, is going to be equal to this red area, which is the first, plus this blue area, which is the second, minus their green intersection. And you can just derive this by noticing that when we add the first and second, we're actually counting these green students in the middle twice. So we need to subtract them off to ensure that they're counted once and only once. So we know that this Venn diagram area is just going to be equal to 169. And that is equal to, we have that red is 149 plus the blue is 119 plus, and the green is what we're going to try to figure out. Since they voted for both issues, I'm just going to label them as B. And this is actually a minus, not a plus. Alright. So if we add B to both sides and subtract 169, we'll have that B is equal to 149 plus 119 is equal to 268. and we are of course subtracting off 169, which means that we will actually have that b is equal to 99. And since b is what we're trying to find, we look back at the answer choices. We see that 99 is choice D, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications for new videos. See you next time!